y'all. Welcome to Eden.
Hey y'all, welcome to Eden.
So, we got a little rain the last 2 days at the property, and baby thought it'd be a good idea to come out here, try to get the rest of this weed barrier laid out while the ground was soft. Because as y'all know from other videos, this ground has been rock solid. Those little spikes that we've been trying to put in have not been going into the ground at all. So we got a good amount of rain the last 2 days, and the ground is being very cooperative today. And as you can see, these spikes are going in with very, very little effort. So stay tuned while we try to get, the goal is to get the whole roll laid out today to cover as much ground as we can. So stay tuned while we get to work. Insert music here.
You said insert what?
Insert music here. I got the rolling.
You got the rolling.
Yeah, but I want to get a shot of the rolling.
Hold on, I got you.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Yes, be careful. Now,
Go.
when it gets down there.
Just stop it right there.
Where your boots, honey? Why don't you put them on? You still gotta open it. What's those metal things? When those come out here?
Oh, I brought them out the other day.
Oh. For what?
That's where the trellis is gonna be.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is such a breath of fresh air because these stakes are going in with absolutely no problem. I think somewhere in here, my wife discovers that we don't even need the doggone mallet. It just goes on in. Like, we struggled with this weed barrier so doggone much. I was so excited for the rain. Like, I was like, baby, I need some help. Please help. And she was like, for sure, I will come after work. So I love my baby. Props to her. She is always supporting me. I can't thank her enough. But y'all, we getting this weed barrier down, and guess what I freaking forgot as it was going so smoothly? I forgot to buy more staples. So we ended up running out of staples. And if you guys have watched this long, I want to say thank you. Thank you for following along on our journey. And I'm learning this stuff. I'm learning how to post for YouTube, and I'm watching other videos, and I'm learning that I also need to talk more, explain what I'm doing more. So as I'm learning, the videos will have more content and be a little more fuller, and it won't just be a bunch of time lapsing. So stick with me, and this is one hurdle that we've been working on to get over, and we got this weed barrier in. The goal is to completely cover the area in weed barrier. There will be some areas that the weed barrier is not, like I'm gonna put a greenhouse, and of course we're gonna have a fire pit. So those will be blank slates, not blank slates, but ground would, should I say. But the whole goal is to weed bury everything, do a bunch of raised beds, have the orchard over there on the side, which we need to complete that one row of the orchard. So I got to find some more trees. But yeah, we're on a good path right now. So I'm very happy, and we have more weed barrier that we will be laying down. We're gonna call it a day now because we are all out of staples. But man, this was a beautiful day. Thank you guys for sticking with me this far and continue to rock with us while we're on our journey.